All right. So I see a lot of people saying that AI is taking their jobs and all of that. And what's funny about it is that you can ideally use AI to do so much more than you think. So what if you get laid off at work? I mean, you can do tens of thousands of things in that much amount of time using AI. Here's something I did in 10 minutes using Perplexity, and it's not even a joke. The idea was that I wanted to make this game for kids, and it was never this easy. Ideally, what happened was I gave Perplexity a prompt, it generated the game. Now, if you want prompts similar to this, or if you have ideas that you want to implement and don't know how to, comment prompt and I'll help you with it.
One eternity later.
So the game turned out perfect. But the only issue was that it didn't have vowels sometimes. So I had to retweak and tell Perplexity that it needs to add vowels. Now, ideally, yeah, AI is artificial intelligence and, it's really smart. It can do things on its own, but it doesn't have logical thinking, even though it's very logical. You have to feed it the right prompts for it to generate exactly what you want. It's like a tailor-made suit. All it took me was about 10 minutes and probably a lot of processing units for Perplexity. But I saved a lot of time. I saved, I think, roughly a week of coding by just doing this. But ideally, the idea is to make it easier for you to function without actually doing all the work. Like I said earlier, I am always there to help. And it'd be great if you guys could help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing. All you need to do is comment prompt below. I will personally help you in regards to generation with AI.